back to BUONAPAPPA. Today we're going to prepare a gorgeous orange cake and we're going to use two seasonal ingredients, pumpkin and carrots. The cake is perfect for a little one because it's not too sugary. There is only half a cup of sugar in the whole cake. It's not buttery at all because we're going to use coconut oil. Still, it's very moist thanks to the carrots and to the pumpkin. Also, this is a perfect bake with me recipe. You can call your toddlers and you can have them helping you while baking the cake because the procedure is super simple. It is pour, mix, add, mix, bake. So it's toddler proof. Let's start together this super simple recipe. Simply preheating the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. We already peeled and chopped our pumpkin and our carrot, and I removed the seeds from the pumpkin. So now I'm just using a food processor and I'm going to add in the food processor the carrots, the pumpkin and the coconut oil. And I'm going to blend for 1 minute in order to obtain a creamy texture like this one. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs with the sugar to obtain a pale yellow foamy mix. And you can have your little one helping you in this phase, and you can teach him or her how to whisk simply with a kind of up and down movement. It will not be too messy, don't worry. Add the pumpkin and carrot mix and keep whisking. Slowly pour in the milk and the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, mix together the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Slowly combine the dry ingredients into the wet mix. Transfer the batter in a cake pan greased with some coconut oil. I only use 1 teaspoon, nothing more. Bake the cake in the oven for 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees, and in order to check that the cake is ready, you simply insert a toothpick in the center of the cake. If the toothpick comes out dry, it means that the cake is ready. Let the cake cool down for a good 5 minutes and then enjoy it. If you want, you can powder the cake with some sugar. In order to reduce the sugar amount, I use coconut flakes. I blended them in the mixer to transform them into powder, and then I dusted my cake with coconut flakes powder, basically. Less sugar. This cake is perfect as a snack for breakfast or just, to enjoy yourself. It's a lovely recipe for little ones. The cake can be stored on the countertop. I would suggest to cover it in order to keep the moist inside the cake for a good 4 or 5 days, even 1 week, but I'm sure that it will be enjoyed way before. If you want to check all the ingredients with the measurements, I have the link to my blog with the printable recipe here below. And also, if you want to check out other recipes, other cake recipes, check the links here below. Remember to leave me comments, I will be happy to reply. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BUONAPAPPA if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!